Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal, English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class Junior 1. Our today's topic, missing numbers part 1, and this is lesson number 11, SW number 11 also. Okay, now the students, let us start our today's class. Dear students, you are watching a box and some missing box exist here, and we have to write appropriate number on that missing place. Here number is 86 and this number is 88. Now, which number we have to put in this place? Which number exists between 86 and 88, or next number of 86 or previous number of 88? It's very easy, you know that. After 86, 87 will come. So that we'll write 87 here. 87. Then 88, 80 and 89, then 90 will come. After 89, we know that 90 will come, and then after 90, 91 will come. 90, 91, 92, then which number will come? It's very easy, 93 will come. So you will write 93 here, then 94, and the last number will be 95. Very easy. We have already solved one number, now we'll solve another one. Dear students, here second number is given. Second number is 130. We have to write first number. Which number will be the previous of 130, or previous number of 130? It will be 129. After 129, 130 will come. So we have to write here 1, 2, 9, 29, 30, 31, then 132 will come. So we'll write here 1, 3, 2, then 133. After 133, 134 and 135 we will write here. It's 134, then 135. After 135, here 136 exists, and between 136 and 138, you must have to write 137. So it will be 1, 3, 7. Okay, dear the students, we have solved two number. Now we'll solve three number. First one is 238. That means 238. After 238, we'll write here 239. That means 239. Then 240, then it will be 241. That means 241. After 241, 242 exists here, then 243 will come. 243. Then 244. 244. Here, after 244, 245 exists, and next number of 245 will be 246. Okay, dear the students, we have finished our today's CW. Now I will give you SW. Dear students, our today's CW is your SW also, and this is SW number 11. It's SW number 11. Okay, dear the students, I hope you have understood today's CW. Do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.